Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Raycon Everyday headphones or Everyday Pro headphones and you are trying to do a hard reset on them to the factory default settings, which wipes all of the pairing history off of them. So you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not connecting or not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or they're not working somehow, they keep disconnecting, or if they're stuck paired to the wrong device. This reset can fix a lot of those issues. The other reason is you might just want to get a fresh start for it's kind of a situation where you just want to have it forget everything they've been paired to in the past and just get a fresh start on them. So we can go ahead and delete them off there. To do this reset real easy, we'll just go in and delete them off our phone that they've been paired with in the past, and then we're just going to come in and press and hold the power button for 5 seconds, and basically you're just going to hold this power button until the light here just flashes blue. Once this light flashes blue, they've been reset. Then we can go ahead and turn them on. They'll go back into pairing mode, so it'll be flashing red, blue. But then you're going to need to, pair them with a device as though you're doing it for the first time, basically. So, anyways, if this video helped, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.